here, the u will be what here? Negative or positive? Negative. Fine. And if suppose image is here, so v will be positive, negative? Positive. Okay. Now just look to the height of the object. Height of the object considered positive or negative? Positive. If it is down, it will be considered as okay. So this is actually what these are the sign convention. Okay. Always remember like this in Cartesian plane. Don't look in your book. They have given you that opposite of this light rays. So you will get confused. So now we have formula 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is known as mirror formula, and you can find out the enlargement also, magnification, which tells you that you have seen nature of the image. It is written diminished, enlarged. So this is actually what your magnification is telling you, that the image will be large, enlarged. What will happen according to the magnification? So how we will find out the magnification? What is the formula of magnification? Minus v upon u. Actual formula? I upon o. Height of the object, in your book it is written I upon o. Okay, in some other book it is written h2 upon h1, and if you want you can write like this also, hi upon ho. It is what? Magnification is the height of the image upon height of the object. Okay, height of the image upon height of the object. If you know the heights, you can easily find out that yes, like suppose this is magnification, suppose 1. Magnification is 1. And height of image you want to know, means it will be greater than object or what? Suppose height of object is given you 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. It means image height will also be 3. Okay, so it's telling that what? That the height is same. You understood how this magnification is helping in finding out the enlargement of the image like this. It depends on the magnification. If it is suppose 0.5, so it will be 3.5. So you can say it enlarged. According to the object, it enlarged. Sorry, 1.5. 1.5 take. 1.5 is equals to hi upon, or you can write I upon 3. So it will be 4.5. So you can see object height was 3. Now image height is 4.5. That means it enlarged. It is enlarged. It is bigger than the object. So this is how magnification is helping in knowing the enlargement. So this is the formula of this magnification, but what will happen if we have given only the image distance and object distance, and how you will find out magnification? There is another formula for magnification, that is minus v upon u. Image distance upon object distance. Distance, this is height, this is distance. It will come negative, it depends, because what in your formula, in equation, they will not provide you the sign. You have to write by yourself. Means according, like here it is object is placed 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror, you will be positive, negative. In front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. It is lying here. Consider your plus y. Aperture will be considered as the origin, pole. So now what will be the image? Negative. Okay. So they have not given you that you will take negative. You will understand by yourself according to the position that you will take negative or positive. Every time object height, object distance is always negative. Mirror of focal length, yes. Focal length, because it will lie here. That's why the focal length of a concave mirror is always negative, because of this sign convention. Convex mirror focal length is always positive. Fine. So these, I am saying that these signs you will put by yourself. So these are the two formulas you have to use in numerical. Numerical is there, just do it. I am writing all the given things. Find nature means real, inverted. Okay. Start. Okay, let me write given things. You already told me all the given things with sign. That is your u is what? Minus 27 centimeter. Focal length is what? Minus 18 centimeter. Apply this formula. Find out v. Find out. Yeah. Yes. So Aksa, what is the nature? minus sign is showing that it is in front of the concave mirror, and it means that it is real and inverted. Fine. Okay, I am writing another question. Till you do till that time.
And V is distance from pole.
Pole. A distance always considered from pole.
You have to find U.
You have to find V. U is given, object distance is given. Now an object is placed 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Object distance is given, you have to find out V. Image distance you will find out here.
It's not the U is image distance.
V is image distance. Consider like this, the initial final velocity. Final, that means image. Initial, U is initial velocity. So this is object. What happened? Ask your confusion. Yeah, 1 upon u plus 1 upon me, 1 upon me plus 1 upon me. Okay, so let's solve one more numerical. Okay, an object is placed. You can make diagram also. It is not included in your book, in your syllabus, but you can make diagram because now you know U, F, V, everything you know. You can make ray diagram by using your ruler. Yes, you can. So we will make one time so that for extra knowledge only. It is not included, and the proof I told you that F is equals to that also is not included in your syllabus. But ray diagrams are included. At a distance of 10 centimeter. 5 by 54. Answer will come in whole number, not in decimal number. 54 is LCM. So Gibran, till this time we discuss only concave mirror, not convex mirror. One upon 6. 27 and 1 upon 18. So 1 upon 18. Minus 18. Focal length minus. Take care of this. We are doing mistakes in this only. In negative, positive. Even I also did. We don't want any regression. Oh, regret. That after you have not take care of the sign convention. On magnification also. Okay.
itself 54.
Yes, 54. 54. 1 minute, let me see. Minus 54, okay. Yes, minus 54 centimeter. So minus 54 centimeters telling you what, Gibran?
No, it is not particular, it is real.
It is real and inverted image. Okay, it will be real and inverted you cannot say, but you can understand that always whenever image is formed in front of the concave mirror, so always it is inverted. It's not like that object is also kept there and image is also formed on the above x-axis.
Real image is inverted.
Way what?
Real image is always inverted.
Real image is always inverted. So, good. The nature will be what? It is, they ask the nature, what is the nature, or find the nature of the image. So, nature of the image is real and inverted because it is in front of the concave mirror and the sign is negative. Sign is negative, that's why you know that it's in front of the concave mirror. So, try to do next question. Right. Akshay, you got the answer of second? I think we did this one question, but I didn't this question. Did not. Second question answer what? What is minus nature? No.
No, it will be behind. It will form behind. It will be, it's not going to be. It is coming one.
How you predict this? It will not be in concave mirror.
Huh?
How you predict?
It will be concave mirror, but it will be between focus.
How you, that what I am asking. Why?
It is coming positive.
It is coming positive. V coming positive? No. V is positive? Yes.
V is equal to V. Positive.
Okay, Aksa?
It will be virtual.
Virtual and erect. An object itself. Find focal length and magnification. Because one case is there in concave mirror in which it is making virtual and erect.
Which is between focus and pole.
Between pole and focus. Yes. So, the image of an object at 40 centimeter from a concave spherical mirror, and the image of an object. The image of an object placed at 40 centimeter from a concave spherical mirror, and its image is formed on object itself. Find focal length and linear magnification. Try to understand the language. All the things are given in language only. So virtual and erect. Second question answer is 20 centimeter.
When it is placed between focus and pole, the distance of the object and distance of image is same.
It depends on that center of curvature of the spherical mirror. It depends on the radius of curvature.
This is same, so
Where?
it means that it is on the focus.
Asking by yourself and
10 by 20 is there, no? Yes. 10 image is at 10.
10 is focal length, no? Acha, okay.
10 is object.
See, yes, that's what I am saying. You can make ray diagram.
It is less than focal length, so it will be.
Let me make a ray diagram. Yes, I was saying about this also, that if you know the position of image and position of object, you can easily find out that your sign will be negative or positive. Like if you have a confusion, so that sign will become positive or negative. So by looking to the distance also, like this is your object is at 10 centimeter. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. Okay, this object is, we don't know where it is kept, beyond C, beyond M, whatever. Now focal length is 20 centimeter. Focal length is what? So obviously focal length is here 20 centimeter. So it means that this is gap between focal length and pole. That's why image will form behind the mirror, and the reason that your V will come positive. So if anyhow any confusion is there, like you suppose you misplaced your sign, so you can get an idea from this diagram. Means you just make this diagram in your mind, or you can make here also. So that's what I am saying, that of these questions you can easily make rare diagrams. They have not asked, but it is there in NCERT 10th class. This concept is there in 10th class. So in NCERT numerical they ask about to make a ray diagram also, but it is not included in your syllabus. So yes, do this. Read the question properly. The image of an object at 40 centimeter from a concave mirror. Understand language. Understand language there. The image of an object at 40 centimeter. It is given what, Aksa?